हेलो एवरीवन गाइस, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। सो अल्फ़ाबेट सीरीज़ चल रही है, ये रोज़ रोज़ बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। अब तक तो आप लोगों को पता चल गया होगा कि अल्फ़ाबेट मंडला हमारे सीरीज़ चल रही है प्रॉपर, जिसमें हम F से लेके Z तक कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। आज टर्न है E अल्फ़ाबेट की। सो स्टार्ट मैंने पहले ही कर दिया है। ग्रिड मैंने बना ली थी पहले ही, और अगर आपको देखनी है कि ग्रिड कैसे बनती है, सो प्लीज़ चेक आउट माई प्रीवियस वीडियोज़ फॉर like the last alphabets, so you can check here that how you can make a grid in the alphabet. And guys, alphabet की शेप कैसे बनानी है, कहाँ से कितना फोल्ड करना है, उसके कॉर्नर्स कैसे रखने हैं, आप उसे जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा सर्कुलर कॉर्नर्स बनाए हैं, ठीक है, बट आप लोग प्रॉपर कॉर्नर्स भी, पिन पॉइंट कॉर्नर्स भी बना सकते हो। इट्स टोटली अप टू योर चॉइस। सो बाय द वे, इस चीज़ से रिगार्डिंग मैंने वीडियो में नहीं बताया है कि अल्फ़ाबेट कैसे बनाना है। यस, मंडला से रिलेटेड बहुत सारी डिटेल्स मैंने शेयर की हैं, तो गाइस ईच एंड एवरी वीडियो आप लोग चेक करना, ताकि आप हर एक अल्फ़ाबेट के बारे में अलग से जान पाओ और ये भी देख पाओ कि कैसे आप हर अल्फ़ाबेट में कैसे मंडला बना सकते हो। क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एवरी अल्फ़ाबेट इज़ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट, सो we need to make the designs according to the alphabet shape. So you can learn only then when you will watch my all the alphabets mandala videos. I hope you are liking it. I hope you are enjoying the process. I hope you are enjoying my alphabet mandala series. Guys, you have not told me. I even ask in every video that in the next series, in what series I need to start next. So if you have any choice or if you have any priority for a particular series, please let me know, guys. I'll definitely shoot videos and upload videos according to your choices. So please let me know which series I need to start now after the alphabet mandala series. This is the longest mandala series till now, actually, because we all know that all the alphabets total number is 26, and I'm uploading daily. It's a very big task, guys. It's very difficult to make alphabet, make a artwork daily, and edit the video daily and upload the video daily. It's a very difficult task. Like mostly people I have seen, they upload 1 or 2 videos in a week, but I'm uploading daily just because I don't need a break in this series. So guys, this is my request. Please support and do like, share and comment on my videos. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can receive all the beautiful notifications on time. So our pattern are almost going to complete, and have you seen my last video with the F alphabet? I made a spiral border, and which was too amazing. Guys, please check it out. And even I'm making the same pattern for E and F, E, F and D. So D, E, F alphabet. And as most of the people know that D is my first first letter, my name's initials. So I have prepared the D very unique. So I'll upload this video tomorrow in the next video. So if you want to learn the D alphabet or watch this D alphabet in a unique way, so please click the bell icon so that you will get notification tomorrow for the D alphabet mandala art. It is different from all the alphabets. I made it unique because because this is my name initial. So even I asked you all too that which alphabet you want to make me so that I can make that alphabet special, but no one commented. so no problem, I made mine alphabet uniquely. So almost the E alphabet is completed, and now I'm making the border. I made this border freehand, guys. It is very easy, you can see this. And I made a pastel outline side by side with the dark combination, and then I took a black pen and put the dots, smaller and bigger, of different sizes of dots on the border to make it like beautiful. You can check it out how I can made it. So guys, I hope you like the process. I hope that you have enjoyed the process of while making E alphabet. So if you liked it, guys, please do like, share and comment on my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And here is the final look of our E alphabet. Please check it out. Take care guys, everyone. Bye bye.